Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start in Safari. That is the one supported path. First, make sure your iPhone is updated, because Safari behaviors change with iOS. Next, open the exact web page or progressive web app you want as a home screen icon. Once the page loads, inspect the address bar and page layout. Make sure you are on the final landing page, not a redirect. Now look for the Share button at the bottom. Tap it to begin the Add to Home screen flow. When the Share menu appears, scan the Actions row. You might need to swipe left to reveal more options. Tap Add to Home screen. This creates a native-like shortcut. You'll see a preview of the icon and a text field for the label. Edit the name to a short, recognizable word or two, because long names truncate on the home screen. Once you're satisfied, tap Add in the top right. The icon is placed on your home screen and will launch Safari to that page. After tapping Add, check your home screen. The new icon appears like an app. You can press and hold to move or tuck it into a folder. If the shortcut opens a different page, return to Safari, clear the site data or cache, then reload the exact final page and recreate the shortcut. If Add to Home screen is not shown, make sure you open the site in Safari and not inside another app or web view. Only Safari exposes that action. That solves almost every problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.